Hey, didn't you just have a birthday party?
No.
You didn't?
Yeah.
Wow. What are you, 5 now?
No. I am 4.
But you just had your number 4 birthday.
No, we don't have 4 candles. I'm taking off my headband because I'm putting this on for my headband. So, Dada.
Cool. What do you
yeah.
say to Megan?
Thank you. Yeah. I'd like to be stretched on the back. I don't know. Who gave him that?
Aunt Chris. Don't open it. Let's see what it says on the outside.
Oh, it's a building thing.
Oh.
G-R-E-N. What is it? It's a tractor.
Whoa.
Oh. I thought he would have a lot of fun with that. Is that
What
also
do you say
from
to
you guys?
Betsy and Jessica?
Yeah, that's from me. I'll read this. Happy B. You didn't finish it. Ow, pause.
Oh, cool.
You can take
Look
it
at that
apart.
one.
You can take it apart.
Oh,
And
neat.
it comes with a screwdriver. A screwdriver with it.
What do you say to Joey?
Thank you. Last present, Andrew. Whoever that's from.
Aunt Chris.
Wow.
Oh, look it.
It makes a bee.
It's a bee.
Oh, you can hang it up on something. Andrew, you can hang it up on something. A bee.
There's one for each of you.
Oh,
The
cool.
bee was for Britt. It's right here, honey. Okay, right there, right in front of you. Okay, it's your turn.
Right there.
Oh, Jessica's next. Here you go, Jessica.
Now hit that, doggy. Yeah, hit that doggy.
We're trying to break it open, Jessica.
Hit as hard as you can. Hit the doggy. Go up and hit it real hard. I'll help her. It's not going to hurt you. I don't think she wants to.
Do you want to do it, Jessica?
I don't think
Oh, do you know what? I forgot the bags. I changed my mind, Megan. Okay.
Here. Go get the, what about the bags?
I'll go get them.
I don't get them.
One hit, Megan.
Get one
And
hit.
since you're so big, you know what I'm going to do?
Get
Spin
six
you.
bags.
Okay, Jessica, you have to back up. Oh, the
I
tape
love
broke. It looks fine.
Ah, screwdrivers. Anybody want this puzzle? I'll have
Oh,
I'll
that's
get
right.
it for her.
There you go. All right, Jessica.
Oh, here. I need to see how this.
Did you get a necklace?
I got it. I wish I got it.
Oh, shoot. You weren't enough. Hey.
Nope. I wanted that. I got it for you, Jessica.
Did Megan get a toy? Did you get a toy, Megan?
I got a jump rope.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andrew. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Andrew. Let's get them close. Yay!
I want a candle.
Okay.
Mom, I don't like them. Give them to me.
I'm going to put them in a bowl for later. Okay.
No, no, I want to do it.
Here, you can lick your dinosaur.
So what day is today, Britzel?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What day is today, Andrew?
I don't know.
What day's tomorrow? You don't know either? No?
It's Sunday and we're painting.
What's in the bag?
Leaves.
Leaves. Are you upset about something? What? Okay, well, you want a rag? Okay. That's what happens with paint. It happens. Sure, I'll get you that.